Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit a photo over on the InShot app. So you probably know that when you open the InShot app that you can actually edit videos in there. But the InShot app just came out with a new update where you can also edit photos, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do this. So first of all, you want to open the InShot app, and once you have done that you can click on photos right here. And then what you need to do is you need to click on new right here, and you can literally select any photo you want in order to edit. So I'm going to choose this one, and then it will open to this screen. And then literally right here, it's just basically like your normal photo editor app. You have a lot of different options. You can remove the background, you can add text, a lot of cool things. I'm going to show you guys how you can remove the background just like this. Literally all you need to do, what you then need to do is go to the top right corner of your screen and click on that share icon. You may or may not get an advertisement, doesn't really matter. You can see right now that it has already been saved over to my gallery. And when I now right here go to my camera gallery, that photo will be saved to my gallery, as you guys can see right here. This is the photo we just got. So that's literally all you need to do in order to edit photos. And yeah, of course you can also add text and a lot of different things. But yeah, that's just the basic. So if you learned something from this video, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.